Today, I'm going to teach you one of my personal recipes. This is a salad that I've been making for myself over the years. It's very simple, and what I like most about it is that, if you've been having too much heavy foods during the week or the day, at nighttime, you can just finish off with this salad. But it's still filling, and it also pairs very nicely with a can of beer. So in my mind, I don't categorize it as a goody two-shoe salad. It's more raw, it fills your belly, and yeah, it keeps you feeling light before you go to bed. Of course, you can have it for lunch. It's just the idea and combination of ingredients that I want to propose to you, and try it at home. I think you'll really dig it. All right, for this salad, I recommend two dressings. One is either balsamic dressing, or you can do oriental dressing. As you can see, I've been having this salad at nighttime. I need to lose some weight before the wedding, so yeah, a lot of salad. Or I'll give you another choice. Let's make oriental dressing from scratch. Of course, you can just buy it from the supermarket, but I'll show you this homemade version that tastes awesome. Cut up some onion. We need around 4 tablespoons. That's 4 in. Save the rest for fried rice. Then we're gonna use some black sesame seeds. If black sesame seeds are hard to find, you can of course just go with regular sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon in. This is more for the color. We're gonna do 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's 1, 6. Good. Then we're gonna do some olive oil. I want equal ratios, so 6 tablespoons. 6. Then use some freshly squeezed lemon. I'm using the fake stuff, but it still works. 4 tablespoons. That's 1. It's gonna give the tartness. There's no lemon trees in Korea. All right, and then number 4. Finally, we gotta add a little bit of sweetness. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of honey. You can also use oligoldang if you're cooking in Korea. The 3rd, honey. Very nice. All right, and look at all the layers. It looks like a science experiment. And then let's mix it up, make everything come together. And it looks like this. Give it a little taste. Woo, that's wonderful. Yes, our salad contains some bacon. I'm gonna take around 2 strips out. If you're hungry, use 3 strips. The bacon is gonna taste amazing with the egg that we're gonna put on. Let's get this going. If you're curious what's next door, we had some Korean style curry last night. Maybe I'll heat this up. Yes, heat up whatever else you have left over in the fridge that you can eat in tandem with the salad. Let's get our bacon pieces on. And while the bacon is getting crispy, I love to use these baby leaf kale, spinach, and then in Korean we have another thing called vitamin. Avoid iceberg lettuce or any other vegetables that's packed with water. We want to use very green greens, if you get what I'm saying. Beautiful. Put that to the side. I'm going to put in a little bit of oil because we're going to crack in 1 egg. Beautiful. A little bit of salt, of course. And for this salad, we want the egg over easy. We want to pop this yolk and let it mix in with our salad dressing. It tastes delicious. See this delicious vegetables? This is the baby spinach, a little bit more kale, and then the vitamin. Let's get our bacon ready on top. Then, of course, our egg. And then we have some leftover cheese toast from a local bakery that we love here in Korea. I'm going to warm that up. Use up that leftover oil in the pan. All right. Toast is done. Little piece of leftover bacon. Let's get some of our sauce. Spread it over. All right. I should have used a bigger spoon. No, it's okay. And then the most important thing is to unleash the yolk. Yes. Wow. Yes, exactly. And this salad is so good. You just work with the spinach and the kale, right? That yolk has interacted. It's done its job. And then the little strips of bacon, it brings you back to the salad. It takes you out of the mindset that you're eating a salad. Little piece of toast. All right, this has a little bit of cheese in it. Lucky me. I'm eating this like a Korean sang. Amazing. Ooh, don't forget about the leftover curry. Pair it up with anything you have left over in your refrigerator. Hopefully you have something. If not, that means you're not cooking enough at home. Get it into our curry. This is amazing. Neighbors, I hope you like that. Personally, this is like the one salad that I do regularly make for myself. I rarely ever order salad at a restaurant or eat it. Ever, because Korean banchans, it's always filled with vegetables. I hope you give it a try. Remember to use the baby greens. The ones that I'm using, again, This one was the baby kale, baby spinach. Simple as that. I'll be back later this week with another recipe. Cook at home, shrink the size of your stomach, and let's get fit back together. I'm in the struggle as well.